Okay. So last video we saw this how to create the that lion paw. So let us continue the rest of things. Okay. So for this I'll take one cue. So get the height. So just we did how for human. Same you can try this also. So for that you can see some images if possible. To see how it looks the this four fingers and this one. So so take as much reference possible. Okay, let's focus this. So what will be the proportion? That can be like this. Okay, fine. So now we should create the four fingers, four divisions you can create. So you can create one here, then one can create here, then you can create here. Then we can create one here. So try to make equal distance, then it'll be good. Mesh smooth, so it'll become rounded. So before that, what you should do, you get the according to the try to make some shape for this. Okay. So what I'll do, make it like this in top view, and this one can be here, here. This can go like this. This can go like this. So like this you can make. So little less. Okay, fine. So slowly you're getting the shape. You can see. Okay, fine. So now you can go for the smooth. So it will become rounded, and you'll get each finger will get eight sides. So because we have here eight sides. So mesh smooth. Go for mesh smooth. So we become rounded. Now you can see the things are fine. Now let us join the things, make it more rounded. All right. So this part can be little scale further. Right. Sorry. Right. So now this is fine. Okay. You ready for join? So let's start. So before that, you can keep this three in one layer. So it'll be easy to do one by one. So delete this first. Delete, delete. So start with this. So now both you can combine and you can merge. Combine, what is it? Mesh combine. Yes. So now this can be merged. Merge. This to this merge. This to this merge. This to this merge. This to this merge. So like that. It's fine. Merge. Okay, fine. So this is done. So later we can adjust all the things. So should go like this that you can make it later state, but not defined right now. Okay. Now next go for this one. Delete, 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 and go for another one. So you can select this two and make it one layer and hide. Again merge. Sorry, combine. First you should combine, then you can merge. So merge, okay, fine. This to this merge, fine. This to this merge. 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 So go to the wireframe, then you can select other two. So hope this two. Okay. So finally this is done. Let's go for another one. So delete, 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 delete. So again, this two you can combine, mesh, combine, right? Then this you can keep in one layer, right? So again you can merge this. So merge, this to merge. So easy. Merge, 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 Merge for mode. You can see, okay, this two, right? See, so finally one, this one we can take. So before that, this one I'll take for one duplicate. So you have one small one. So need not create one more. So you can just keep this. You can use for that. So finally, this one also you have to delete this spaces. So delete, delete, delete. Select both, and you can go for combine and merge. Add mesh, merge, Z, Z. Just repeat, merge, 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 merge. Finally, that is not seen. So which two? I think this two. Fine. Z. Okay, fine. I think it's done already. So hope it is done. So now you have to make the top view like how it looks in C. Look at here. So it is almost rounded, and you can see this part is rounded. So that you have to create. So you can use the soft selection. So B. So soft selection you can use. So try to make uh, as much round possible. Right. Right. So I think reduce the soft selection. Fine. So as much as possible, I can make a round. Right. It's fine. So now, so almost it is done. So you have to go to the leg and join, and rest of things finishing you can do. So just go to the leg model. So it is where it is. It is here. So scale it. Just scale it. Now just go for image plane and see the positions. Right. So just place it correctly. Now you have to match to this. So keep it this correct positions. Looks good. Okay, fine. So now how to do this? So maybe a little more. You have to scale overally. So it looks very small. So modify as center pivot. Okay, and scale overally. Okay, fine. And keep little down or no problem. This one you can make it little more down. So you can so symmetrical on. Okay, fine. So this can be little go further up. Okay, fine. Just trying to match as much possible. So I feel maybe we can delete this face so to blend nicely. That we can do. So let us do like that. So now we'll check it out how many vertices are there for this. So just check it out. It is I think something 1, 2, 3, 5, okay, 8, some 12 points are there, right? Just check it out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? So 12 points we need here. So right now you can go for 12 points for this. So go for the this 2, 3, delete. Just check it out how many points per here. Just double click and you can go for the um, display, head of display and poly count. So where is the poly count? So how many is that? 14. So two more you have. In this you have two less. So no issues. So what you can do, just you can remove one. Maybe I'll go for this side, something one you can remove or this way. Just go delete, control delete. So it will go. And these things you can move it inside. Control Shift and make it center. So like that you can reduce one, no issues. So now you have to merge this to this. That is the things. Okay. So that will see how to do. Right. So this is fine. So now okay. So this select this and select this and go for combine. Mesh combine. Right. And what I'll do, I'll just merge it. Before merging, just keep on insert loop here. So this area I can hold from here to here. You can start doing merge. So select this, and go for merge. So it will nice little blend. You see, it will come nicely blend and go. Okay. So like that, do one by one. Okay. So just repeat. So repeat the process. Merge. Why you did not a threshold is reduced. So increase the threshold value otherwise. Two. Something is selected wrong. So I think we don't need the symmetrical. So otherwise that side is getting selected. So let's do one by one, no problem. So edit merge. Now it's fine. Z, G. So you need not worry about the other side. Just we'll make mirror once it is getting over. So this is done. So what is this connected? Yes, fine. So Z, okay, fine. Z. So you have to continue repeat the same things. I hope you're understanding. Okay, fine. So finally we connected everything. And to relax this, so you have to use the relax tool. Before that, you should go for insert loop and give more splits here. So it will spread nicely. Okay, so you can go for more split and go for relax. So now sculpting the third one. Now you see everything will nicely blend. This is a very good way to do. So you need not worry initially. So this will be very nicely blend. Right. The small finger you have to merge it here. Then you can do the rest of things. So now you have to make it more round. Okay, so that you can use this fourth one. You can use and make it get the shape. So exactly how shape should be. It blend nicely to the feet. It's now nice like blending. Okay, fine. So fine. So this one it will come nicely bulge. Right. So this can be bulge. This can be little reduced. Like that, you can start getting the shapes how it looks. Right. So so try to get as much possible to get the shape. And these things again, I'll say, make it little blend nicely, nicely blend. Yes, to make more incidence loop, so you can blend nicely. So mesh incidence loop, you can go for more incidence loop. So it'll blend towards the. We don't have difference here, so try to make much more difference and blend to the feet nicely. That forward. So that's a very good way to manage. Now slowly you are getting the shape. You can see. Now check it on side view whether it is matching correctly or not, and you see here some issues are there. So you have to get the shape correctly. So soft selection, reduce the size, brush size, and try to match as much possible. It should be not that much thin. It should be nicely. Okay, done. And that is also nicely done. All right. Just try to match as much possible. Nicely, almost looks good. So it's a very easy method to create, right? So try to sculpt this area a little better. Right. So now we have to make the another one that is missing here. What is the small one? Yeah. So scale it, So now take it to the image, reference image where it is connected exactly. You can see the just upper area. You can see here that is the things you have to make. So means you have to keep somewhere here. Just check it to the direction also. Check. I think it should be same direction. It is no issues. So it is same direction. Uh, See some images. Go to the image. I think it is almost same direction. You should not change the direction. Maybe it's something like this, and little rotation will give, and try to match as much possible. So you can see here, and should be little more scaled this way, maybe a little more thick compared to that, and it will be. I can delete this. Double click and delete. I think not necessary that much big. So this is fine, I think. Okay. So like that, we can match. Now, same thing, you have to make here also 8 sides to merge. So what I'll do here also, it's a need. So which area will be right? So you have to check. So it's very low or little height is there. Maybe I think you can choose this four. Okay. So we will delete this, save the file before that. It goes wrong, then you'll see. So maybe this four will take or next four. I think that four, this four will take. One, two, three, four. Right. So you can delete this. Right. So now we have to merge to this. So select this both. So try to match as much possible. All right. So okay, fine. So let's try to match. So what I'll do, just check it out how many points are there for this. So you have 8 points, you can see. And here also we have, just check it out, 8 points. So you can see here, both are 8, no issues. So you can combine both, mesh, combine, and you can bridge it because maybe merging, it will take, it will very tough to do because the angle is wrong. So we'll try to bridge and relax it, right? So edit mesh, go for bridge. So you can see some things happening like this, right? Some here it is some damage. You can see no issues. So you can have one more insert edge loop and try to relax. So how to relax with the shield? So before that, you save the file or no issues. Later you can save. Just you go for relax. You can see nicely. It will blend. Okay, it will blend nicely. Yeah. So you can see that's the way it is getting blend. Fine. Okay. So now this is fine. So this looks fine or looks very big or small that you can think. I think it is, you can make smaller also. It's no issues. It looks too big, I think. We can reduce those things. So we can move it. Okay. So that way I can make it small. That is the possible another way. So just merge it as much possible. Okay. Right. So try to match as much possible. Right, right. So maybe second one you can take smooth, it will be relaxed, and second one. So that way you can also deform little and then reduce the size also same time. Like, you can see the it is getting relaxed also fine. So that way so fine. Oh, right. So this is done almost. So I think we'll leave it here. Mm, maybe go little like this. Maybe little angle will come like that. You can do also fine. Little angle is possible. So try to as much possible that you can do. Okay, fine. So this part is done. The claw basically the ZBrush like can do the most details. So go for the mesh display and soften edge. Go for soften edge. So what I'll do, I think backside I need not do again. So I can take this whole face and duplicate and merge it there like that. Right? So it may not create again. So what I'll do, edit mesh, duplicate. Then we can put this one on layer. So now you can see here, this is done. So modify center pivot and move this and check the things. Okay, fine. So now we have back one. You can see. So should be same. I think should be in the same height. Don't know why it is like this. It's fine. No problem. So match this and delete. uh, the here this space you can delete, sorry, delete. Okay, fine. So now what you can do, this both you can combine, select and select this, you can combine and you can bridge, right? Okay, fine. Double click and double click, go for a bridge. It's done. So now you can relax it. So we have relax tool, so you can relax it. Okay, nicely. It will blend. You can see nice little blending. Right. So it's good, good, nice blending. So this is very good tool, the relax tool. Okay. So you can insert more also fine. So now it is done. So now we'll just check it out whether it's matching correctly. Yes, fine. I think it is done. Maybe here a little more. You can just go for relax. Okay, fine. So brush and click. Yes. So same thing, this mesh display and subtonnage. We can make it. Yes, fine. So now this side you got it. Now you have to make other side. So what you can do, just make it half again and make it half. Just check it out, correct half is there or not. Yes. Great issues. Okay, I think it is done. Okay, delete. So again recheck. Anything is done? Yes, yes. Okay, fine. So now you have to other side, just mirror it, mesh mirror, and go for threshold, give 0.1 only. So the I think mirror is done, weld is done correctly. So we got all the far part. So right now it's fine. So in ZBrush, maybe we can do the more details. So base model, it is looks fine, right? So hope you understood till this. So next class we'll take do UV mapping and take the ZBrush to the muscles details. So hope you understood.